A severe thunderstorm. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County in central North Carolina, southeastern Davidson County in central North Carolina, northern Anson County in central North Carolina, Montgomery County in central North Carolina, northwestern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Randolph County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, southwestern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Randleman to near Plyler, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy, Siler City, Bacon Lake, North Carolina Zoo, Bisco, Ansonville, and Goldston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Davidson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 242.
So, me having both the RadioShack 12-259 and the RadioShack 12-254, both together, in front of this window, in which I'm getting a thunderstorm of my own. Not related to the one that I got, though. How does this look? That's the lightning is flashing.